Hello doers and welcome to a new e-commerce video. Today we will see how to manage the pricing of our products using so-called price lists and the price display strategy you can use for your website. So let's see how it looks in our database. So the first thing we will do here is go to our website configuration in the settings and activate a few options. I will search for the price lists and activate it. And you can see that you have two options here. If you put your mouse on the options, you can see what they refer to. We will go for the advanced price rules in this case because we want to be able to have discounts, formulas, etc. And you can also decide how you want to display your product prices. So in this case, I want my text to be included in the price. Now I save this, and after saving this, I can actually go here and I have a new category, price lists, where I can create a new one. We actually opened a division in the UK, so this is the price list that I will use for the UK, and I can also activate it, of course, in pounds. This one will be applicable on a product category. We will say that it's only for the funny t-shirts, and we will apply a discount of, let's say, 5% for this one. You can also see, if you close this, that there are some time-based rules, and this is only available for recurring or rentable products. And if you go to the configuration tab, you have the possibility to decide in which countries this rule applies, and also to decide whether this is selectable or not. So of course, in this case, I want my customers to be able to choose this price list, and I will then activate this option. Now, after saving this, if I go to my website, I can actually see that I have the choice between my public price list that is created by default by Odoo and the UK one that I've just created. If I go to the product, then I can edit it and choose whether I want to indicate the tax or not in the price. So you see here that by indicating it, I see VAT included with the price here. And now I can just save it.
So there was something about promotional code. Can we go back to that a little bit, please?
Yes, of course. So what Tom is referring to is also located in price lists. So let's go back to our UK price list in the configuration. And I can now add a promotional code for my customers. Now, if I go back to my website and select this product, add it to my cart. If I go to the checkout, I can now add the promo code that I've just created. And if I apply it, I will see that the 5% discount is applied and that my currency has changed to pounds. So that's it for this video. Remember to check out our online documentation for more information. Thank you for watching and see you next time.